In this tutorial, we will see that how can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So let's dive right in. So you can see here, I'm in my main account here. If I click on that plus icon and drag these options, you can see here, it's showing here this live option. Now we will turn on this live option in brand new account here. So here's the account. For the first step, click on these three lines from right top side. Click on that gear icon in order to open settings. Scroll it down, you will find here this report a problem. Don't worry, it will help you to fix this error. Open it and you will find here this live option. Open it and select hosting live. Then you will see here other hosting live issues. After selecting it, click no and then click on this need more help, where it will open up this TikTok help desk where you can chat with TikTok team in order to resolve your issue. Simply you have to type here, I'm facing issues regarding TikTok live. My live ended and my option to go live is disappeared. Help me to fix this issue. Click enter and then you can start chatting with this TikTok team. Then TikTok team will chat you and help you to resolve this issue. So that's how you can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers in just few easy steps.